All right, so here I am again at Costco. I'm going to share my entire cart with you. Apparently this is something people want to see. So this is my $716 Costco run. And before everybody gets really upset, this is not weekly. However, I do spend between $400 and $600 weekly. Some of this stuff will last me anywhere from 3 to 6, maybe more months. Actually start out with some loungewear, a little sweatshirt, little sweatpants, loungewear, 4 packages of our favorite hard-boiled eggs, 2 packages of our favorite sweet potato chips, 2 packages of organic pears, 4 packages of sweet potatoes, 6 packages of blueberries, 6 packages of medjool dates, organic medjool dates. This week I'm making some special treats for hockey players at my clinic, so I need some extras to prepare some of those bites and fun stuff. Honey, maple syrup, American grass-fed beef tallow, and organic ghee. These are amazing for cooking with, but also this one actually you can use toast or whatever you normally use butter for, but it's easier to digest for people that are dairy sensitive, because it does not have the milk proteins in it. This is fantastic for cooking, but also I use beef tallow on my face. So little secret there, it actually is beef tallow and honey. The big old coconut oil. This is a favorite. I use this actually on my skin, my body, but I also use it in a lot of my recipes. Avocado oil spray, 2 packages of cheddar cheese, organic unsweetened full fat coconut milk. This is a staple for cooking. You can use it also in protein shakes and coffee. Great substitute in place of things like oat milk, soy milk, almond milk. I always recommend my clients coconut milk. 3 packages of organic raspberries, good old ribeye. Yeah, so we got 6 here. This will probably be one night's dinner for the 4 of us. So organic pasture raised eggs, 3 bags of avocados, 2 bags of organic apples, 2 bags of clementines, 5 bunches of bananas again. Yes, we went through all 5 of those bunches of bananas last week in about 6 days. Of Faye, because I pronounced it wrong last time, Greek yogurt, and my big bag of jasmine rice. I did get some dog food in there for my less high maintenance dog. My high maintenance dog gets the farmer's dog delivered fresh frozen food. So that's my Costco haul. Again, I invest in my health now so I don't have to pay later. So yes, I understand it feels expensive. However, if you shop at these big bulk stores, this food can last you, and some of this stuff will last me 3 to 6 months or more. But most of this stuff is my weekly haul. So fuel right, spend your money on what goes in your body and on your body. It matters.